Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here are 10 kitchen hacks that I personally use in my day-to-day life and I thought it would be really nice to share it with you guys. I hope you like this video. Please do consider subscribing to my channel and remember to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of my future videos. On that note, let's get started. Add lemon juice and salt while grinding the green chutney to make it last longer. This also ensures that the chutney retain the green color. Covering the banana stem with a silver foil keeps them from ripening faster. This allows you to store them for a longer duration. For storing greens and herbs in fridge for longer. If you want your herbs like mint, coriander and parsley to last longer in the fridge, do not wash them before storing them in the fridge as moisture will cause them to rot. Also, add a paper towel in the bottom and at the top of the container before storing. Paper towel will absorb all moisture and keeps herbs fresher for at least 2 to 3 weeks. This technique can also be used to store green chilies. Just remember to remove the stem before you store them. If you have leftover dal from the previous day and you're not sure of what to do with it, well, then knead it together with dough and make chapatis or rotis from it. Adding lemon juice to lady's finger right after chopping them ensures that the sliminess does not build, which usually happens when cooking lady's finger. Make puris crispier. Adding semolina or suji while kneading the dough ensure that your puris turn out to be extra crispier. If you would like your fried fritters or curry pakoras to be soft while eating them, dipping them in cold water for a few seconds and adding them to curry will do the trick. Keep tomatoes fresh for longer. First, by plucking off any stem, place them head down in a bowl and store them in the fridge. Remove excess oil from a fried vegetable curry. While cooking a dry vegetable curry, adding a spoonful of gram flour in the last 5 minutes before it is done removes any excess oil from it and also enhances the taste. I hope these tips and tricks help you in your day-to-day life as well. Please do give this video a like if it was informative. Also, please remember to consider subscribing to my channel as I'm going to come up with many more kitchen hacks in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care until we meet again with another interesting video. Bye.